Welcome to my Kickstarter campaign. My name is Taras and I'm excited to present you my latest creation, a handmade, minimalist wallet that has quickly become my go-to, the Chicago No. 5. As a craftsman, I'm always looking to improve my craft and create a product that are both functional and visually appealing. In today's world of globalization, it's easy to find low-quality items that are mass-produced and sold at a high price, even by well-known brands. Unfortunately, these items often came at a cost, not only to the environment, but also to the people who are producing them. Cheap leather production is one of the most polluting industries in the world, but handmade leather goods have a lifespan that is 3-4 times longer than mass-produced counterparts. Choosing a handmade product helps to reduce your carbon footprint and supports ethical production practices. As a small business owner, I'm committed to create high-quality, sustainable products that are made with care and attention to details. My wallets might not be the cheapest option on the market, but the quality and the craftsmanship speaks for themselves, especially with a lifetime warranty. The Chicago No. 5 is made with premium veg-tanned leather, which is known for its durability and ability to develop a beautiful patina over the years. But it's not just about the materials and craftsmanship. It's designed to be practical and functional for everyday use. This wallet is excellent for everyone, regardless of gender or occasion, whether you are going to business meeting, traveling, or on the date. Its simple design features an ID window, a couple of card slots, and an easy cash access compartment, making it perfect for organizing all of your essentials. It can hold a minimalist 4-5 cards or up to 12 cards for those who need more room. Using a handmade, full-grain leather wallet has many benefits. It is more durable, long-lasting, and traditional hand stitching adds a unique touch to your everyday carry. It is also a more sustainable option, as it is not mass-produced and has smaller carbon footprint. By supporting this Kickstarter campaign, you are not only helping bring the Chicago No. 5 to life, but also supporting a small business. I appreciate your support and I'm looking forward to see this wallet in the hands of happy customers.